Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Well, President Trump announced $200 billion worth of tariffs on China last night, 10% levy. Ultimately, it was a watered-down version of tariffs, and we're seeing markets respond. Apple was left off the list, Fitbit was left off the list, other technology was left off the list, and that was a worry. But this is really surprising, I got to say. I mean, you're seeing the equity markets rip higher. And we talked about major, not necessarily major three-star support, but a critical support level that aligned with the trend line going back to late June. We talked about it in the Morning Express yesterday. The uptrend is defined by this level. It was tested last night. And listen, I got to be honest, we weren't sitting there being advocates about buying against it. And the uncertainty that was around it would not have signaled to do such. But this is surprising. You're seeing the markets react. You can't fade it. You don't want to step in front of it. Our rhetoric, our narrative here, Blue Line has been this market is in a strong uptrend. We have been cautious though since our target of 29.24 has been hit, and we're working our way back up towards 29.24 right now. So watch this level get tested. If you get a close above 29.24, you're going to see another melt up, another leg that could really get up to about 29.50, 29.47, 29.50 area. But again, you have to see that close above there. So watch for that. 29.17 has been sticky. We're moving out above 29.12 as I'm talking. So ultimately, there's a bullseye on 29.24. Watch for that. On top of that, you don't want to see the market close back below 2900. That will neutralize this morning's strength. But listen, you can't fight it. You're either riding the wave or you're out of the market right now until it hits 29.24. So watch for that. Moving on to crude oil, $70 is right in the mix here on the November contract. We got resistance that is testing just below $70. Watch for that. And the bulls are in the driver's seat as long as the market stays above our pivot level. Check it out on the Morning Express. And lastly, looking at gold, it got up there again and tested 1210 yesterday. It struggled to get out above there, fell back to 1200, consolidating. Listen, it's constructive, but there's definitely bears, or the shorts are defending the 1210 area. So if you're buying 1200 and you're keeping more for a short-term swing focus, trade that $10 range, look for that. But ultimately, the longer term, gold has been constructive. You want to see 1190 area hold long term, and until that breaks, this has been good. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board: dollar, currencies, treasuries. We're here to help. Anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can check our website for updates at bluelinefutures.com, and you can email us at info@bluelinefutures.com. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.